Welcome back to Orcs Must Die 2. We're continuing on.
Master, you once said I was the best.
You were. Except in the end, he was better.
What you say is true. I may have made poor choices.
Those choices are the past. Make different choices now.
Hey, did you hear the part where he said I was better?
Apprentice.
Woohoo! Yeah! #1 Warmage! In your face, crazy lady!
I love the dialogue. Like, these people bantering back and forth. It's just hilarious. It's also actually a pretty good story, even though the humor in this game is insane. Alright, so there's only one rift. They're going to come from multiple directions, it seems. Actually, let me get rid of the dart spitter since I didn't. There were actually so few enemies on Mirror Image that was insane. How few enemies there actually were. That was actually much easier than I thought it would be with the grinder. But I might be able to make use of the haymaker in this one. There is 12 waves, so there's gonna be lots of enemies. Yeah, just that one change in my loadout should be fine. Alright, so first thing I'm actually just gonna defend the rift itself. Like, I'm gonna make my whole defense in this room alone. Might be a little bit crazy, but let's try it. I'm actually gonna put my barricades back here. I can't get up over there. Yeah, I'll put them back here. I do have 10,000 to start with. That's a lot.
This flimsy waist-high wooden barricade will stop him.
Then I'll put one here. Then they have to come back into here to get in. Ooh, can I do that? Really choke point them? Oh, wait. Yeah, it's showing me that they will actually try and squeeze through that. Oh, oh my god. This is gonna be brutal. Alright, let me get some grinders up.
Orcs check in, but they don't check out.
Actually, I don't know if I want to do that because I can't slow them with that there. Yeah, I'm gonna take that out. Put a second barricade there though. Then throw a I'm just gonna slow. And then a spike right there. And then just spam the literal fuck out of archers. Seems to be the meta here. Yeah. Seems to be about it.
Killing season.
This could work. This could work pretty well. I could actually put some archers.
They're breaking through.
Here too. Yeah, I can do that.
We hold the line.
Wow, you don't even have a shot. God damn it.
They're almost there. Surrounded by traps, orcs die. I can't explain that. That's how it's done! It's about to get awkward. For them.
We're just gonna hold this room. Or
Here they come!
I might put some archers up here.
They're down below!
Because they'll have a pretty good shot on pretty much everyone. Maybe some haymakers and slow up there.
We hold the line.
Sappers, bringing you in! They're almost there! Yes! Kill streak!
Very nice.
Wipe your feet! That's a break!
Actually put some arrow walls in here.
Killing season!
They're breaking through! They're down
Put a
below!
couple dwarves behind this barricade here. I might have to bring it back more because I need them to hit the grinders.
Ugh.
This is like target practice for the archers.
That's a lot of dead orcs!
Oh, that does a lot of damage.
I got you! Right in the place with the thing. Sharp spikes meet tender toes.
Oh, I can't really do much barricade there.
It's my happening, and it's gonna freak you out!
Let me see if these archers work being over here. These archers just look so awesome. I love their look. They look awesome. They don't exactly look like elven archers other than their ears, and their bow looks pretty elven, but they
Watch
still
out,
look
sappers!
really good. They look really good.
An archer has fallen!
Really? Come back to life, guys.
An archer is down!
Wow, that's a lot of death!
Okay, this archers being up here is gonna be a problem. Alright.
They're almost there! Yes!
Damn archers, you're being
Time to go to work.
Head down below! We hold the line.
Oh yeah, great shot, bro. You're excellent. Top dog here.
That's a lot of dead orcs.
Alright, I need to get rid of you guys. It really kind of useless. Unless I really want to put barricades around you, which would be kind of annoying, because that's going to be a lot of money.
That's gonna leave a mark.
Unless I... Yeah, it's going to be a lot of money, but I'll be able to put guys like here as well.
Daddy
I
lied.
might have to, actually, 'cause there's not much room out there.
Let's do it again.
And this shit is expensive.
Keep it coming. Try this on for size.
Only halfway there. I got plenty of money to, you know, make
Head
some,
down below!
make some things happen. Oh, they come from here? Oh shit, okay, this plan is
Down below!
Yeah, fuck the archers from here, man.
They're almost there.
Yeah, fuck that idea.
Nice.
Oh, I forgot to sell this shit. God damn it. Why do I have to fuck up so hard?
Orc pincushions coming right up.
Yeah, this will do some major damage to whatever comes from that area.
Showmans!
We should have this no problem. This looks pretty easy, actually.
What a mess.
Except for the Cyclopses.
That was awesome. And break.
Yeah, fuck you guys.
And away we go.
Give me a direction to show the target. Head down below! Sappers on the way! They're almost there!
One, two, 5. Darn it, I lost count again. Combo!
Alright, I'm just gonna save up money till the end. We're pretty much set.
Tossing blade.
Really?
Stabbing time.
Head down below.
Sweet! Another combo! Shaken and stirred. Also stabbed.
GG?
Treat time!
Yeah, we got this no problem, I think. Might get another grinder
Head down below.
here if I really need to, but yeah.
Oh yeah! I'm the Tower of Power!
An archer has fallen.
They're almost there! Whoa! This has to be some sort of record! And boom goes the dynamite.
That's just too easy.
Treat time.
We hold the line. Head down below. Down.
Welcome to Killstreak City. Population? Those guys.
Oh, free skull. Hell yeah.
Dibs on the skull.
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep saving money. I think we got this. I think we got it. We might even...
Let's go.
Oh, I was about to sell this shit up there just to get a better score. Well, actually, there's a lot coming from that
Down
direction.
below.
I'm glad I didn't sell that.
Sappers heading in!
They're almost there. multiple traps together.
Oh, the grinder just ate the ogre.
Yes! Hell Street!
Nice. $12,000 left. Give it to me. What? How is that not 5 skulls? Oh, I went over the time limit? Really? Oh, son of a bitch. By almost a full minute. Damn it. Okay, we're redoing it. We really are. Wow, I'm actually really high up on the scoreboard for this one. Wow, and I beat my friends by far. Damn. Only 2 of my friends even made it this far into the game. Wow. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo this. I want 5 skulls on absolutely everything. Maybe less slow. I don't need so much slow, probably.
Master, you once said I was the best.
You were. Except in the end, he was better.
What you say is true. I may have made poor choices.
Those choices are the past. Make different choices now.
Hey, did you hear the part where he said I was better?
Apprentice.
Woohoo! Yeah! #1 Warmage! In your face, crazy lady!
And I'm gonna put this barricade up a little farther. Yeah, this should work. I only really need the slow right here.
Ooh, here's a good one.
Some spikes, more slow, and start working on archers.
We hold the line.
I want more than one fucking archer to start with.
Show me the target. So,
Yeah, that looks a bit better. Let's go.
Killing season!
This is a
Here they come.
very long hallway for them to come down, though. I think this is what's eating up my time, that they have to run all that way to get to me. Which is why I'm not going to slow up there this time, because I think that helped in making it take longer. Also, I'm going to get more arrow walls throughout here and just fill this area full of spikes. That way we just kill everything faster. That should help.
Orcs get hit by traps, orcs die. You can't explain that. Stabbing time! They're breaking through! Head down below!
Holding onto that money and getting less kills faster is what hurt me on that skull.
Watch out, sappers! Sometimes I amaze myself. Not in my house! Welcome to Killstreak City. Population? Those guys. Best Warmage ever!
I serve the order. Give me a recall the line.
Come on, get it back in your position.
Let's roll.
In your formations.
Here they come!
What the fuck's wrong with you? Keep in your formation.
Head down below! That's a lot of dead orcs! They're almost there!
Spam archers, I need to kill these guys as fast as possible. Whatever. Your formation is so fucked.
Sappers on the way!
Whatever.
More fun when you kill them all at once! Arrows for everyone! Party's starting, and you're all invited!
Damage everywhere. I'm gonna put grinders up here too, just to thin out these guys. Just kill them off faster.
Head down below!
Actually, might even put a grinder right here. Just to kill them faster.
They're almost there!
That archer right there might have to.
They'll never notice this. Eek.
We hold the line.
That one's for you, old man.
Actually, I just might put some archers up here.
Time to go to work.
The faster they die, the better.
Do your bidding.
More archers.
Head down below.
What way?
Head down below. One, 2, 5. Darn it, I lost count again. Yes!
Yeah, I'm just gonna line this whole damn place full of archers. Just kill them as fast as we can. So we got quite the platoon of elven archers here. Pretty badass. Pretty badass.
Daddy lied.
Oh, they right country.
Let's go.
Oh, Guardian got reached. Alright. So we're gonna focus on spikes and arrow balls and everything else that does.
Head down below. Sappers, bring it in!
An archer has fallen! An archer has fallen!
No.
An archer is down!
They kill
You
him?
have the right to remain silent!
An archer is down!
Yeah.
Now they're dead. Revive these
An
guys.
archer has fallen!
An archer is down!
Revive them all. Back to two.
Wow, that's a lot of death!
Barricades. Heal over there.
Ow! Ooh!
Alright. Spikes.
This should make my point.
Spikes, spikes, spikes.
Let's go.
And more spikes. Just want you to kill them quick. Lots of damage. Very fast damage.
Head down below!
Barricades are healing.
Welcome to Killstreak City. Population? No doubt.
anything.
Head down below. Orcs get hit by traps, orcs die. Can't explain it.
Both the shamans right off the fucking edge. That was epic.
Kill streak! Rule. Let's go. Down below. That's a lot of dead orcs! Orc salsa!
Orc salsa. That sounds so disgusting. But
hey look! Room service!
because it's orc salsa.
Get down below! Staffers on the way! Wow! That's a lot of death! An archer has fallen! Welcome to Kill Streak City! Population there! An archer has fallen! An archer is down!
We get 5? Yes, we did. That was fucking close. We almost lost it there at the end, but we made it. Five skulls. That's what I'm talking about. Whew. Wow, we beat it by 8 seconds. That was close. Wow, and I really bumped up my score that time too. I'm pretty sure I got a much better score. 129,202. Actually, no, I got a better score last time, but I did get 5 skulls this time. I do have 21 skulls to spend. Make my arrow walls do more damage. Yeah, why not? spikes reset faster. That's 9 though. That's a lot. Let's see. What could I buy? What could I get other than paladins? Because they cost 1,200. They are super expensive to actually use. Scavenger Trinket. All enemies have a chance to drop coins. All enemies worth extra coin. That could be super useful. But also the trap reset. Traps reset faster. Reset all traps for a mana cost. I might go with the Scavenger Trinket, because that sounds really good. Increased chance for coin drops from orcs and kobolds. And it's only 4. Okay. Nice. Alright, so I'll see you guys next time.